Hi, my name is Ignacio González Certales. I graduated from the School of Engineering in Seville in 1990, and then I went to Yale University to do my PhD research with Professor de la Mora and Professor John Fenn, working in electrohydrodynamics, particularly in the atomization of liquids to produce very monodispersed and very tiny droplets, highly charged. And I finished in '95 and I went back to Spain. I went to Malaga University, and I've been teaching fluid mechanics there since then. And I was promoted to a full professorship in 2006. In 2006, we moved to the Technological Park in Malaga, and since then, we start developing the technology to solve the problem of some customers like Henkel Loctite, Airbus, and any other large companies. So we start doing research and also we start developing the equipment so anybody could buy this equipment and enjoy the technology in its own lab to develop their own particles. And that's what's been doing since then. The process that we develop is as follows. I mean, when you have a small droplet of liquid and you apply a strong electric field on it, it develops up like a sharp point tip from which a very thin microjet is issued. And this microjet, as any liquid jet, breaks up into droplets. The main difference is that this microjet can be made as thin as a few nanometers if you wanted to. So basically you are doing droplets that are nanometer size in diameters. And you can vary the size of those droplets from few nanometers up to several microns. If you add a component to this liquid in which you prevent the breakup of the jet, you start actually doing very thin threads of liquids which end up producing nanofibers. So this is the basic of the process. What we did was include a second liquid within that one. So at the end you have a coaxial jet of those two liquids, and when you break up that, you generate capsules of liquids, liquid A encapsulating liquid B, or coaxial fibers with a polymer or a material on the outside while having a different material on the inside. Using this approach, you can actually change the material, or choosing those, you can actually develop novel materials with inner structure and novel properties by combining those different types of materials, basically. Here at Yflow, what we offer is a means of doing such a thing. So we offer you a very neat equipment in which you can not only control the liquid flow rates and control the voltages. We offer you also a very, very nice means of controlling the position of this injector, because sometimes you need to deposit your nanofibers or your nanoparticles all over the surface, or sometimes you need to collect them on a moving substrate. So we also provide our customers with the different types of collectors, like flat plates, rotating drums, rings, and also we provide the customer with the chance of moving around the injectors so you can pattern your fibers on different shapes on the collectors. So it's a very neat way of combining as many things as you can do with a single equipment. But remember, at the end, what the customer does is give instruction to the equipment. And sometimes if you are developing new type of particles in which you use new materials, you probably will need the know-how. And here at Yflow, we also offer the chance to our customer of providing this know-how developed by the company and the people working within the company here in Spain for the last 25 years. If a customer may have in mind a completely new product, like for instance a textile, a new type of fibers, and there is not an easy way to synthesize these new type of fibers, we can offer our knowledge on our own technology to help the customer to develop these and many other types of fibers that may be very useful for new applications. So there are other situations in which one might need to deliver certain drug to a certain part of the body, and they need to fabricate a vehicle in which to put this particular drug. So we can help that customer to use our technology to develop this carriage, this new type of micron of nanoparticles that can be successfully in this area. But if you are also thinking of material applications in which you need to dope materials with new type of nanoparticles or synthesize new type of fibers with new materials, we can also help our customer with our know-how to develop these new type of fibers or composite materials that they might need to use. So basically the applications of nanoparticles are endless, and our technology is perfect for this synthesis of nanoparticles. So basically imagination is the limit. Yflow is one of the leading nanotechnologies companies in the world that provides high-end know-how and products at a very competitive rates. We offer our technology to our customers as an added value. The possibilities are endless.